back to part 3 of Gable column base plates and end plate connection. So I'll switch back to isometric. Of course, we're in isometric view, so I'm going to just rotate this. Here we have the stiffener in place, but we don't have it on the other side. What do we do? I'll select here. I select the stiffness, right click and come to spatial copy and pick on mirror, and our mirror will be this. Will be this. I'm seeing some very strange members there. I don't know how they came there, but we don't need this. Don't ask the question there because it's not necessary. I've selected on this, so I want to mirror this. This is my mirror line, and click copy. So if I go the other side of things, I find my stiffener in place. Perfect. Remember to weld. I'll come to steel and come to weld. Just click on that, and I want to weld this to that, weld that to that, weld this to this, weld this to that, weld this to this. Perfect. And we can just turn the same way the other side, and come to steel and come to weld, weld this to that, weld this to that, weld this to this, weld this to that. Perfect. I'll come to view once again, click navigate and rotate, and we have that in place. So now let's switch back to elevation, and we want to do the same thing here we did the other side. So I'm going to come to edit, and I want to create an end plate right there. So we have an end plate right there. Double click on this, and I want to change that to 0 because you don't need any extension, and I want to take it front, take it behind, and see how it behaves. Right there, I'll select on the plate and maybe click on that, and I want 400 as we had done before, and just click type enter. So I'll come to edit right here and pick on split, and I'll pick the parts I want to trim off. Select on this, and I want to trim off that. Select on this, and I want to trim it from that spot. Select on this, and I want to trim it from that spot. And it's advisable to delete the unwanted, and I don't need that. Now we want to weld this to the end plate. So we'll use this tool of fit. So I want to fit this from here to here. So the web has been fitted, and come to fit end again, select on this, and I want to fit it from that spot to that spot, and that has been fitted. And we're missing this. How do you fit? How to fit this? Select from that, and I want to fit it from there to that spot. This is interesting, isn't it? Now let me just drag that and come to edit, and I want to use some points to guide me, and I want to snap on that spot and snap on that spot. I'll snap on this spot and snap on that spot. Now I want to place my stiffeners. I'll come to beam, and I want to snap on that spot. Right click and come to perpendicular. Let me snap on that spot and come here and right click and come to parallel, perpendicular, not parallel, perpendicular, and front. Perfect. Remember the size of that is 120. Remember the size of that is 120. Now let's place the bolts. Are we together? Now I'm going to create bolt connection between these. Press my middle button on the mouse, and I want to stretch all the way to that spot. So are we together? We are together, but of course you can see if this long bolt length is indication that there is a small error. So I select on it, right click and come to bolts, and pick the parts to bolt together. Select that, right click, pick bolts, pick this, and I'll pick that. Press the middle button on the mouse. It is not responding, so let me just delete the bolts once again. I'll come to bolts, select this and select on that, press my middle button on the mouse, snap on that spot, and snap on this spot here. And I can see I still have the error. Right click and come to bolt parts. This and that. Press my middle button on the mouse. Don't worry about that. There's so many things to worry about. I'll come to isometric view. So under isometric view, just double click on that and cut the bolt length maybe to 0, maybe 100 bolt spans, this one and this one. Perfect. Right click and redraw. We can leave it as it is. There's nothing wrong with that. So I'll come back, navigate, rotate, and I want to copy this, stiffen as the other end. So I have to weld them first. I'll weld this to that, weld this to that, weld this to this, weld this to this bottom flange. So let me select this stiffener and right click and come to spatial copy. And I want to mirror this by defining a mirror line at the bottom end here. Perfect. And I click copy. So once I've copied this and come to view, I come to navigate, rotate with mouse, and I have this in place. You can see that perfectly well, perfectly done, perfectly done. So you get the reason why our plate, our bolts were not working out is because the plate not was not of the appropriate dimension. So the web width was 250. So double click on it and change this to 250. Yes, we are in class and hope everyone is attentive. You can see the bolts adjusting and no error. The moment you click bolting and you see the bolts slightly longer than really necessary, that's an error, indication of an error, an indication of an error, not a rule, not that error of ruling. Now I'll come to base plate and pick on the base plate here. Just key in the base plate, because you need to place the base plate here. I'll pick on that and I want to make this active, select on that and snap on the bottom end there. Not responding. It's not responding. It is not responding. Okay, no worry. Undo. So make this active and switch back to where we were and select on this and boom, not working. So let's switch back to elevation and try to create that. Let me come back to PEB right there, and we have a base plate. Select on this, select on that, and press the middle button on the mouse. Let me just double click on that and come back here, select on that and load. So once I've selected on that, I'm going to come here and press. So it's not picking up that because of the orientation, but not really the orientation. Sometimes it fails to respond, but that should not stop us from moving forward. I'll come to isometric view right there. So what I'm going to do next is to copy this, leave alone whatever has refused to come alongside us. Let me select that and deselect. Let me select this. Let me select what I can select. Let me select whatever I can select like that. Select like that and deselect what we don't need. Perfect. So once I've done the selection, I'll switch back to isometric view. Once I've switched back to isometric view, I'm going to right click and come to spatial copy and pick mirror. So the mirror point is this, mirror line is that. And if I click copy, I'll be able to have those columns the other side. But there's some double copying, which can bring some sort of confusion. So one thing you need to note when doing a selection One thing you need to know when doing the selection, this has to be active. This button has to be active when doing selection, and press Control and deselect parts you don't want, and deactivate this when you're doing the mirroring. Let's switch back to isometric view and right click and come to mirror and define the mirror line. Let me click on that, and it seems we've copied more than one. So let me pick the part we don't want to remove, pick the part we want to remove, pick the part we want to remove, pick this part we want to remove, this remove, this remove that. So if I switch back to to elevation view, and if we zoom closer, you can see we're missing some points. We're missing some points. This one is okay, and this one is not just okay. It's Messi, not Messi the footballer. Now let me just come here and edit this. Select on this. No, not selecting on that. I need to fit this. Come here, select this and fit it alongside this. Select this and fit it alongside this. Now if I select this, right click, come to bolts, and I want to bolt this to that, and I press my middle button on the mouse, there's something wrong. Now let me switch back to basics, and if I come to view and come to navigate, and if I turn this around, you can see something is missing. If I double click this and change this to 250, and that's it. We don't have that error anymore. So if I turn that around, I think this is what was being carried the other side. This was corrected, but it seems to be being carried the other side. So we can copy everything, but let's end on this because we've gone too much. Let's meet on the next lesson of, I think probably part 3 or part 4. So let's meet then. Bye bye.